Hey, it's Jose with Direct Liquidation, and today we are reacting to another Walmart unboxing. So thank you for joining me. And this pallet behind Daisha is just filled to the very top with merchandise. And we here at Direct Liquidation love to do that so that our customers are getting the best value in each one of these pallets. And right there, 3 items and already $250 in value. Now you can see why these pallets are so very popular right now. And this is a Walmart general merchandise pallet. So you're going to be getting a lot of different things within these pallets, and that's going to be great for you to just stock your shelves with just a diversity of inventory for you and your customers. So here we have a linen set, and linens are great items to have because every household needs linens for their beds, and something like that, it might potentially sell very quickly. And we have a sofa cover. Now we'll get right back into the unboxing in a second, but if you like what you're seeing, you can head over to our website, directliquidation.com, and find pallets like this and hundreds more ready for you to place a bid on or buy. And the great thing is also on our website, a lot of these Walmart pallets come with a manifest. What that is a Excel document that lists all of the items that come within that pallet so that you can make the best purchasing decision for your business. So after this video, head on over to our website so we can start getting you the inventory you need right now. Let's get back into it. Here we have a Rubbermaid Tupperware Set, and these are Walmart customer returns, but they're from the leading brand in their field. Rubbermaid in itself is a leading brand in the Tupperware field, so you know that you're going to be getting a lot of good brand name items within these pallets. So 10 items in and already $550 in value. Here we have a digital safe. Now you can sell that to one of your customers, or you can keep it and store all of that money that you're getting from these pallets in that safe. Keep it nice and safe for you to use it on even more pallets and growing your business. Here at Direct Liquidation, we love to help you grow your business. So we're coming to the end of this video, 13 items, and that's a neck massager. I know that I need something like that. You can see the type of value that you are getting from these pallets. Now, if you have scaled your business, and we love helping each and every one of our customers scale their business from one pallet to many pallets. So if you're going to get many pallets like a truckload, here with our Walmart inventory, we do Walmart volume discounting. So you can give us a call. Our sales team is ready to help you, and we'll get you the inventory you need, whether it's a GM pallet or truckload, or if you have that niche and you more want that categorized sort, we'll help you get it. Now, before I let you go, I ask that you consider going to our Facebook group and even joining it. You can find great deals happening every single day and a community of like-minded liquidators. But if you're looking for more of a one-to-one sales interaction, you can call our sales team. They're ready around the clock to help you get the inventory you need today. And you can find all of that information in the description down below. Finally, if you're looking to see a certain type of category unboxed, leave that in the comments down below, and we'll work with our warehouses to get you that video as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.